Rutledge! Come on, man, let's go on an adventure. Waterfalls, rock slides, breweries.
Don't wrap your head on the fan.
Do not decapitate yourself on the fan in your new room. Let's go. We need hiking clothes, swimming clothes, brewery clothes. And that's the rock wall. It's just getting started. Finish it up tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are you doing, boy? Let's go. Snoop it, hurry up.
He's a good boy.
Don't step off the concrete, it's straight down. Okay, after almost 4 hours on the road and the most windy river road, we have made it. It is right across here. We did pass Bridal Veil and Dry Falls, but we are here. And we're gonna go check it out. We're supposed to have some slides, maybe a jump-in spot. Lots of rocks, lots of places to play. Right, you ready?
Yep. We gotta wait for Miss Amy to take us hours to get ready.
Okay.
Business.
Back in business, rock climbing rut. I think
I know. Trying to get the courage. I want to go up to the vault.
all right, we're trying to get the lay of the land to figure out there's people up there, right there, jumping off. And people trying to get the courage to slide. So we're trying to figure out the lay of the land and go play. We'll see.
He's in a hole right there.
What?
He's in a hole.
Stop. Hands just keep you off here, okay? Boy, you gotta watch where the slides.
Okay.
Right there. Okay, that's on the edge right there.
Yeah.
Coming?
How you gonna get over there?
Dad, I want you to do that.
I don't know.
Where is he?
Ooh.
What? What happened? Turkeys.
There's some over there.
Hi, baby.
Car behind us, y'all. So, Mom felt that falls was too crowded and too unsafe, but we decided to go to Franklin right up the road, and she saw a suspension bridge off the side, and we're gonna see. This doesn't look safe. Where's the weight limit?
Oh, that sign? One person.
Weight limit, 4 people.
Jump around. Do this.
Is that
by specific.
Let me see. Let me slide by. This is unsafe. Half these boards don't have nails in them.
No kidding.
But this is safe.
Yeah.
Some old hog wire holding it together. I don't know your line of safe and unsafe.
I say we come from it.
She said the other place was unsafe, but falling to her death from a suspension bridge, missing nails, old hog wire holding us on, that's fine. That's why it's fine.
What?
There's a creepy old house. Somebody's being selfish.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I didn't know that there was a creepy old house. I got to the creepy old house.
And we are now trespassing.
Yep.
That's great.
Did they say no trespassing?
Oh!
No, but
Yeah.
There's not one single sign.
Look!
Ready?
It's like a swimming river.
Red, I'll give you 20 bucks if you jump off the. Is that it? Center court. Did we pass it?
It said turn on Walnut Road.
There's an old tennis court.
But here's the problem.
What? What's the problem?
That I don't understand where it's going.
Then, here, let me hold it. I'll tell you. Let me hold it. Now we turn around.
What was it called?
Cullasaja Falls. That's a long way down.
Mom, you're at a tree.
Don't step off the concrete. It's a straight down.
Oh, we're
Aim.
right
Yeah.
Hello.
Find us the best places.
there. Yeah.
The safest, the
Dad,
best
could have
distance.
pulled up a bit more.
No.
I'm off. Should I pull up a little?
I think you're fine. Where did Ollie go?
Okay. So right down from Bust Yer Butt is Cullasaja in the National Gorge here. They said there was a trail, didn't it?
Oh, there's a road. There's a road.
Ah.
There's a road. See that white thing around the tree?
Yeah.
Road.
Hold on, Rut. Don't go first.
Oh, I see the path. Hold on.
This is a lot like the trail I had to do with the camper.
Is it? I think we're okay.
Mom, you go first.
Down. Black Hawk down. Yeah, I don't like this. Aim. No.
And yet the other one was clear cut.
Where they are, there's the pot, there's the pool right there. Down at the bottom, trying to figure out a little safe space to kind of get in the water. Alright, so our whole thing was trying to get down there and find somewhere we could swim, and the problem is it's just so rocky. You can see here that Amy and Rutt found a little spot to get in, but it was pretty deep, and then right past that, it goes over another cliff, and it's just pretty dangerous. So we got in a little bit up to our waist, but then decided it was time to pull out. We got down here, Now we got to figure out how to get back. Everybody's scrambling through the rocks. But I think there's a spot up there we can kind of get where we can sit in it. So we're going to go up a little bit on the way back and see. But keep it safe. Always remember when you're here, wear good shoes. And be on your hands and knees. Hands and knees. Whew. Whew. We made it. Back to the top. Not much film because it was pretty tough climb there. You can see the falls back there. There you go. We made it to the top.
That's the problem. That I don't understand where it's going.
Then, here, let me hold it. I'll tell you. Let me hold it.
All right, we have made it into town at Franklin. Here at Lazy Hiker. As you can see, but they are about to have an 80s dress pageant behind us. And there's music downtown. It's a really cool place. We got beers, we got food coming, and we got a cider. So we're gonna check it out. It's pretty cool. My beer was good. A little cornhole going here at the Lazy Hiker.
Hey, Mom! Mom!
All right, leaving Lazy Hiker right there in Franklin, North Carolina. Great brewery. Top 5 now, maybe top 3. Loved it. Kids are messing around. IPAs were great. Got the hazy and the Mount Caledon. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, I would definitely recommend. But we're about to head home, about 3 hours and a half towards Asheville and then down 26. But great day, loved it. All right, kids, come over. So we're headed home. There was a brewery 0.4 down the street called Curry Brewery, and just got one quick drink before we head home. And I was getting 10 sign, and she couldn't find it, so score free 10 sign. There's my people. Hi. And they got a really cool outdoor, and they're right here on the little Tennessee River, if you can see right there. So, little path down there people have been walking. Just a great little sit outside. It's been on and off raining, but I love the door.